What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're going to show you what's happening in Latrobe and in North Pittsburgh. But before we do that, we're going to share with you something that we've been working on. So we have some new shirts. There's a lot of them here. We've got a bunch of different designs, not just the couple I'm showing you, the one I'm wearing. And the reason for that is because we are giving away a Hellcat Challenger. Check out winthesekeys.com. You purchase some merch, you get a cool shirt, you also get entered for a chance to win a Challenger. We'll start over here in the ceramic coating area. We've got a Toyota Sequoia. This one's getting coated right now. We did paint protection film on the whole front end and the rocker panels. And beside the Sequoia, we've got an Audi S3. This one's getting paint protection film just on the pillars. So if I'm correct on that, it's just these and the C-pillar back there. These get scratched up really badly. They're not painted plastic. They're just like a polished black plastic. They're very soft. A GMC Denali. This one got lots of things. Basically a full paint protection film wrap. Everything except for the roof. The windows got tinted. The wheels got swapped out to new wheels, although we don't sell them. We will do that for people since we're already going to do a wheels off package with the ceramic coating. There's Minion. Shop dog, he's here today. We also swapped some badges out on this to the blacked out version, basically. So you can see it's like a black chrome. The Denali badges on the doors are all black as well. And we're going to be adding a light up GMC badge to the front. I don't think we got around to that yet. And in front of that is a Toyota Sienna minivan. This one's getting paint protection film. You can see the edge hanging over here drying. We're going to be wrapping that around the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, the mirrors, and the wear and tear package. So the door cups, the door sills where your feet hit, and the edges. And a Cadillac Escalade. This one is getting paint protection on the whole front. It's mostly done. It's getting ceramic coated. It was previously tinted by our friends in Myrtle Beach. It was previously tinted by our friend Jason in Myrtle Beach. Steve is hard at work doing some remote start systems. How many do you have today, Steve? 4 remote starters today. This time of year, we are slammed. Remote starts and heated seats. Do you guys think Caleb looks like Van Gogh? It's come up on Facebook. We want your opinion. Patrick's over there working on a Range Rover. This one's getting an annual checkup, cleaning up the interior for our friend Tom. This one also has basically a full paint protection wrap we did a couple of years ago. It's a good indication of what PPF looks like. Repco, how many miles are on this car? 37,000 on this thing. We did it brand new. The paint protection film, as you can see, you still can't see it, looks like new. I don't see any damage to it. Right here, here's a rock chip in the film. This is what that looks like. But I guarantee you if you pull this piece of film off, the paint underneath there is fine. So 37,000 miles, you got 1 or 2 rock chips on the film, and we can remove it and replace it with no damage to the paint underneath. That is why paint protection film is worth it. Over here in the tint bay, Terrell and Kevin are working on, what is this thing? Honda HRV. And outside we've got a ZR1. So this car was previously wrapped in film by somebody else, and it was back to replace the front splitter and another piece of paint protection film on this, I think on the rocker panel. Got a Cadillac XT6. This one got paint protection on the rocker panels. And a G63. These things are like next to impossible to get. So pretty cool. I love this one. All black everything. The badges are black. The interior, this is the most blackout G-Wagon ever because it has lime green stitching and accents from the factory. I love this thing. Straight from the dealership for window tint. I don't even think they've PDI'd it yet. They totally redesigned the dashboard as well. I don't think I've seen one that has that huge digital display, so pretty cool. This Volkswagen Jetta was here for some window tint, a visor across the top of the windshield. And this T6 Volvo, I'm not sure why, but we have to redo a coating on the rear bumper. I don't know if it was in an accident or something happened, but that's why it's here. And this Dodge Durango belongs to our friend Guy. We did paint protection on the whole front end. We tinted the windows all the way around. We did the rocker panels and the full rear doors as well. That just needs a little bit of final touch up on the paint protection, and then it is next up for a ceramic coating. This Toyota Camry was here for a remote start system. I want to say it's on deck. Oh no, it's installed already. The antenna is on the windshield. That got the 1-mile range system, so they really do work from a solid mile away. It's impressive. We've tested them the whole way from here down to where like AutoZone is, if you guys know where our Latrobe store is. It's a little over a mile away and they will work. Another Volvo, this one got paint protection on the front bumper, a partial hood as well. So front bumper and right up to here. So a lot of times people ask us, what does that line look like? You probably can't see it on camera because you really can't see it in person either. The line is right here. It's pretty invisible. Unless it gets really dirty on a light color car, you really are not going to be able to tell that it's there. BMW X1. So this is an interesting story. We ceramic coated this car. It was back for the wheels to get coated. Something to do with a stud the first time around. But they took it to the BMW dealership. I have no idea which one, so I'm not trying to throw anybody under the bus. They took it through a brushed car wash and basically destroyed the coating, scratched the heck out of it. We have to do another full paint correction and recoat the car. So if you have a coated car, or if you care about your car, probably tell the dealership not to run it through their car washes. Here we have an AMG GTS. I love this car. We get to pick this one up every once in a while, and super fast, super fun. It's here for paint protection on the front end and redoing a coating. We did a 2-year coating on it about 4 years ago. It held up well. We're gonna do a Ceramic Pro Gold package on it now. And right here's a Golf R32. These are very quickly becoming collector cars. This one only has, I wanna say 50 or 60,000 miles on it. This belongs to our friend Jeff. We're gonna do a full paint correction and ceramic coating. The transformation on this one's gonna be awesome. You can't tell right now out in this light, but there's a lot of micro scratches and swirl marks going on with this one. When we're done, it is gonna look like a mirror. That's it for what's happening at this Latrobe shop. Luke's gonna show you what's going on in Gibsonia.
What's up, guys? This is Luke from Blackout Tinting Gibsonia, here to show you what's going on in the shop. Outside we have a Chevy Traverse. This is in for some paint protection film. It's getting film on the partial hood, the door sills inside the door jamb where your feet smack when you get in or out of the vehicle, and on the back here, the luggage area. So this is the area, in this case, the black area on the top of the back bumper that gets scraped up when you're loading groceries or anything really in or out of the hatch. Here we have Isaac prepping a Ram 2500. This was coated at the Latrobe location a couple years ago in a Ceramic Pro Gold package. It's back in here at the Gibsonia location for an annual checkup. Over here we have a Tesla Model Y. This is in for some paint protection film and ceramic coating. We're doing the paint protection film on the full front clip, which includes the full hood, the 2 front fenders, the front bumper, and the mirror caps, along with the rocker panels. This is also getting XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coatings on all the paint protection film, the paint, plastic, and the wheels. Back here we have a Toyota Tundra. This is all done, ready to be picked up by the customer. This got an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on all painted surfaces, plastic glass, wheels, and everything. And lastly, we have Austin here doing a full wrap, full PPF wrap that is, on a Tesla Model S Plaid. This includes all painted surfaces, so everything white you see on the vehicle here will be protected by paint protection film. And after that's complete, it's getting a Fusion Plus ceramic coating on all the paint protection film, the wheels, and the glass. Some exciting news at the Gibsonia location. We now have a Kubota tractor. This is gonna make my life a whole lot easier, plowing the parking lot, making sure that the snow is removed if we ever get snow for all of our customers. Over in the tint area, we have a 4th gen Ram. This is in for the front 2 windows to be tinted in the XR Prime 20%, just the front 2 doors to match the back factory tint. On the other half of the tint bay, we have a Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. This was tinted in Arizona, I believe. In the back window, you can see especially there's a lot of what looks like bubbles, but it's actually the tint that failed. And we stripped all the side windows in the back window of this Mercedes and are retinting it in the XPEL Prime CS 20% window film. That's all for what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Thank you, Luke. That's it for what's going on at North Pittsburgh and Latrobe. Now that the holidays are over, our schedule is getting full very quickly at both locations. So if you need paint protection, window tint, or ceramic, give us a call, get on our schedule quickly before it's too late. Once spring gets here, we'll be out months. So thank you guys very much for watching. We will see you next week.